Alright guys, so here is the robot vacuum that I just unboxed. It's actually pretty nice. Let's go over some of the pieces that go with the vacuum. I kind of read the manual a little bit just to kind of get an idea of what everything is, but it's right there in the manual. These are the side brushes. There's 4 of those. I'm guessing this is, they call it boundary strips, so I'm thinking it probably goes somewhere on the vacuum when it's has something to do when it's moving. I'll figure that out soon. It comes with a extra filter, which is nice. An extra mop. It is called a mop towel, so that's nice. The controller, charging station, adapter charger, and this itself, the robot vacuum, I do like how the top is, it comes off really easily. Look at that. And this is where how you would empty it. So you just pull this out and there it is. They make that super simple. And there's where the filter goes. And I just place it back in, push it down. And they're magnets, so it just latches right on. Like that. All right, so let's get this charge in so that way I can show you how it works. Let me show you that real quick. Alright, so you just plug in the base like that, and it just slides in.
Start recharge.
There we go. So it is charging. What I'll do is I'll let that finish charging, and once it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you how it goes. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, so as you can see, the light is blue now, so that means that it is fully charged. I am going to pick it up in just a second and start it to see how it works. I'll be right back because I need 2 hands to do it. All right, guys, I got it all set. I'm not sure how it's going to work yet, so for demonstration only purposes, I scattered a few Cheerios on my floor. I don't know where it's gonna go, so hopefully we'll be able to get a shot of it maybe sucking one of the Cheerios up just to see how it works. So I'm gonna press the on button and see what it does.
Start cleaning.
Ooh, it's fast. Oh, it's turning. There goes one Cheerio. So it looks like it does pick up. It turns around good.
Machine gets trapped. Help it out of the trap.
Oh, I guess when it gets stuck or off the track, it tells you. All right, let me see if I can just move it around.
Machine gets trapped. Help it out of the trap.
And see if I can fix this. All right, well that was easy. I just picked it up and placed it back down and now it's fine. Try it again.
Start cleaning.
Yeah, picked up those Cheerios. well, so far this sounds and looks pretty good. It turns around easily. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Looks and seems like a pretty decent robot vacuum that I'll probably just use daily to kind of pick up little messes and things. If you guys like the video, I hope you'll like and subscribe for my next one. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Bye. Alright guys, I just found out something that I had to show you. If you press the home button, it will actually find the base charge and link up by itself. Look at that. Cool. I like that. That's a good feature.